Hi, I'm Miss Hearn. Let's get started. And if you find this video helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up. That helps other students to find the video. All right, let's look at another one. It says, find the derivative of f of x equals the square root of x at x equals 2, using f prime of a equals limit as z approaches a, f of z minus f of a over z minus a. Okay, so this is asking the question a little differently than the previous problem, but it means the same thing. When it says to find the derivative of f of x at x equals 2, what would be another way of writing that, a short way of writing that derivative at x equals 2? So that would be the same as saying f prime at 2. So in this case, what is a equal to? What do we have to plug in for a? The 2, that's right. So remember, the z stays a variable, but the a is going to be 2 in this case. Okay, so I would like you to try to work this at home. I'm going to give you a couple minutes to try to plug that in and work it out. And let's see how you do. Okay. So I'm going to work it out now, and you can compare and see how you're doing so far. So we would say that f prime of 2 is going to be the limit as z approaches 2 of f of z minus f of 2 over z minus 2. So that would mean we have the limit as z approaches 2 of, and then we have the square root of z minus the square root of 2 over z minus 2. All right, this is a 0 over 0 indeterminate form if you plug in 2. So we're going to have to simplify. So when you have square roots like this one option is to try to multiply by the conjugate. This would give us the limit as z approaches 2 of the same expression multiplied by square root of z plus the square root of 2 over square root of z plus square root of 2. Oops, I put an x over there instead of a z, didn't I? That should have been a z. So now we're going to have the limit as z approaches 2. And then foiling that out, you're going to have z minus 2 over z minus 2 times square root of z plus square root of 2. Do not FOIL out the denominator because we're hoping things cancel. And they do. Z minus 2 divided by z minus 2 is 1. So we have the limit as z approaches 2 of 1 over the square root of z plus the square root of 2. Plugging in 2, then we have 1 over square root of 2 plus square root of 2, which is the same as 1 over 2 root 2, which is going to be the same as square root of 2 over 4. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. That will help other students to find the video.